This video will demonstrate how to add checklist templates onto Arthur. To add a checklist, you first go to Task on the left hand side of the screen, select the penultimate option which says Checklist Templates. Please note you will only see this option on the Professional or Enterprise package. To add a template, you press the button that says Add New Template, and then from the checklist you can put in all the sections you would like to add. For example, pending, you can add another item that says Set to Live, and you can add any more on top of this, and you can save the template. When adding new tasks in the future, you can also embed this checklist so it is used in those new tasks. We'll do that now, and we'll add a new task. We won't bother filling in any other details. We will add a template, and we will choose the unidentified template I just added, and we can use that checklist.